Hi, everybody. In this video, we're going to talk about uh, supporting details and examples in explanatory writing. Remember, explanatory writing is writing to inform or explain. And this is the second in a series of videos talking about what components are in the body paragraphs of explanatory writing. Okay. So when we come down here, we're talking about supporting details and examples. Supporting details and examples. These are specific details, examples, facts, quotes, data that support the topic statement and the thesis statement. These are not your own ideas. These are the things that you gathered when you go back here from your resources. Okay, so these are your textual evidences. These are the pieces of textual evidence. Textual evidences. These are your pieces of textual evidence. These are the things that you went in and you researched about your topic and you found from articles, websites, that sort of thing, and you jotted down as pieces of support that you wanted to use. You have these already if you've done the work. Okay. So, supporting details, good supporting details and examples will support the topic sentence and the thesis statement. They'll include facts, quotes, and or details. They will be directly related to the main point that you're trying to establish. Poor supporting details will not be related to the paper. They won't help you make your main point to prove your argument. They'll only restate conventional wisdom, what everybody knows, common knowledge, if you will, and they won't add any significant value to the paper. They're just be sitting there for no apparent reason. Okay. So here is an example. Again, this essay topic, why has the game Among Us become such a huge hit in 2020? We established this topic sentence, the ability to communicate and interact with other during quarantine has made Among Us a hit among those who play it. So a couple of poor supporting details. There are lots of video games that people play online. In fact, it can be played on multiple platforms. Okay, so those are poor supporting details. So if you look back on here, they don't help prove our argument. They might restate conventional wisdom. They don't really add any significance, right? So that's four examples. Good example would be, this is conveyed by the number of Discord servers that have been created just this summer. Quote, in one, more than 98,000 teenagers connect, socialize, discuss, and play the game, unquote, and then there's the source it came from, okay? This would be a good example of textual evidence, using textual evidence to support the details, to support the thesis statement, to support the topic sentence in the paragraph, okay? Now, remember, you have these if you've done the work already. This is why I had you spend 2, 3, maybe over the weekend, 4 days working on this to get these ready so that you could just put them all together now. Okay. So that's supporting detail. That's what it's all about. Next, we will have a video on, no, I'll keep going. We can get through this. So explanation and reasoning. So explanation and reasoning is the writing that explains the why. So this is your words. Okay, so we had the textual evidence for support. This is your words. This is the why. So after you state your topic, sentence, provide an example, you want to explain your example. Okay, the explanation is your own words, like I just said, connecting your example to the topic sentence to prove a point. Good ones will be written in your own words. They'll link the example to the topic sentence. They'll help link multiple examples together, so tie everything together. Present the audience with thought-provoking information. Poor ones will simply restate the topic sentence. They won't advance your argument. They'll only restate conventional wisdom. Remember that thing I talked about common knowledge? And include phrases like, this proves that, and this quote shows that. We want to avoid those type of things. Okay? All right, so that is your evidence and reasoning. Okay, each paragraph has a topic sentence, then evidence and reasoning. Next, we're going to talk about the transition.